talk about how can you enable content visibility on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this photo, click on it here. Then it's when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click on my profile here. So when you click on my profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on edit. So when you click here on edit, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down and you come here to content visibility here. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean content visibility enabled with us now. So before that, you go above save, click on it. Then it's going to save video on your Reddit app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.